welcome. Today we're going to be messing around with a few different pieces of makeup. Today it is graduation day for a lot of the kids here where I live in Arizona, and I wanted to do something a little new just because this is kind of something a little new for all of them too. Kind of goes with like a little theme. I like it. I did go and get me some Covergirl, because it's been a hot minute since I've put anything Covergirl on my skin. And I wanted to go back and dive back in. I saw they came out with this little guy and I was like, oh, love it. I like the packaging. I like the little squeezy tube. Seems pretty easy. And it's called Skin Milk. So it just makes me think it's good for your skin all over. Then I got this one, the little squeezy tube too, and it's matte. And then I also got this one. It is in the glass bottle. Totally reminiscent of what I used to use when I was in high school, and it says clean. So I tried to do the best I could with matching the shades to my skin as I could online, but they seem a little darker than me, you know? But I held out hope for this guy right here. I was like, yes, light medium, that is me. It may not be. So, I mean, this one's light medium too. Maybe it's just the packaging. This one is in shade neutral. So I'm hoping it's just the packaging, because I have a friend of mine who is about the same paleness, not as much pinkness as me, but she has a shade darker than this. So I'm thinking maybe this is lighter than the package is leading on. And I'm hoping it's true for the rest of it too. Let's get started. As always, I'm going to come in first with my NIVEA Men Post Shave Balm. This stuff is the bomb. I don't know if you haven't tried it. I heard it from quite a few YouTubers over the years. And then I started watching Maria Gloria, and as soon as she said it, I just went and bought it. It's like a thing. Okay, I also picked up this little cutie. It is the Covergirl Clean Fresh Prep and Set Water Mist, and this is in the scent Citrus. It's vegan. It also says it's supposed to hydrate, prep, and set, also giving the skin, also gives glowing skin. Kind of like a superhero, but without the toxic sludge. Okay, so I'll just I'm a little hesitant to use any of them, honestly. I feel like they're overall not the right shade, but when I look it up online and it seems right. I'm gonna go in with this one because it seems like the lightest option for now. This is gonna be the Covergirl Clean Foundation. Well, see how this goes. Designated for normal skin. Just like high school. Yes. Okay. What I'm going to do is take my beauty sponge, pop some of this directly on here, and go to town. Okay. Like, damn, do I smell like high school, but okay. It's lighter. or it's all in my head. Who knows? But this is nice. Okay. I also picked up these little fellas. Boop. And I was looking online. I guess there's a normal size one and a big size one. I guess I got the big size one. And then this one as well. Clean Fresh. And then this one I hear all about all the time. It's supposed to be fantastic for a drugstore concealer. This is the TRUBLEND Undercover Concealer. And this one is the Clean Fresh Hydrating Concealer. I feel like they were about the same price, but I'm getting significantly more in this one than this one. Still gonna try them though. I think I'm gonna go with this one for now. And then, oh, I need to open it. This one is light ivory. Got it. Damn, son. She thick. Okay. Oh, are those pores? Ew. Those are pores. Ew. Okay, no. Okay. All right, a little bit up here, more so. I don't feel like these two played well together. It's kind of like they're separating, and I'm not thrilled. All right. I did not get a setting powder because quarantine things. The mail's taken forever. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my BECCA. Beep, beep. Okie dokie. Chill with that. And I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my normal bronzer from Tarte, my Park Ave Princess. I've been loving this lately. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, slap on some brow pomade, and I will be right back. Right back. Okay, that was pretty quick for you. Come in and lightly dust off some of this extra powder. Okay. Fluffers. Then I'll come in with my Covergirl Cheekers in Natural Rose. It is a blush. It is cute, little, just like I remember it. Also difficult to open, just like I remember. And we're back, and I got it open, and that was as difficult as I remember too. That's like totally a flashback video, I swear. Comes with a cute little brush. Don't know what to do with that, but I got my own brush. I'm gonna come in. Oh, so little. Just remember to bring it all the way back. Come in again with my setting mist. Make sure nothing moves. Okay, that is looking cute. I'm gonna go ahead and splash on some eyeshadow and be right back. Sorry, I got a little distracted. Have you seen this? Okay. I'm going to come in with my CoverGirl Clean Fresh Setting Mist real quick to make sure this doesn't go nowhere. Okay. That's dope. The dopest. Boom. Then I'll come back in. Ooh. To the CoverGirl video. Okay. Went ahead and set down my eyeshadow with the setting spray, priming setting water mist. Looks good. I heard pretty good things about this. The CoverGirl Exhibitionist Uncensored. It's supposed to rival quite a few of the higher end mascaras. I'm back in love with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, so that hasn't left my side for a while now. But we'll give this little guy a shot. Ooh, thick. And that's the brush. I don't know if you can really see too well. Looks alright, so let's try. Okay. I feel like this is as good as I'm gonna get with this. It is black. It smells funny. Oh, yeah, no. No. I tried doing a second coat. Don't do a second coat. She dries. Oh, she dry. Okay. Oh, better side. For sure. And that was it. That was, well, this is my look that I created with my little CoverGirl Ulta Care package. I ended up using the CoverGirl Clean Foundation. It smells just like high school. I can still smell it though, so it's kind of odd. I believe it did oxidize quite a bit because it looks a lot lighter than what's in the bottle. I also used the CoverGirl TRUBLEND Undercover Concealer, and I dig it. But on that note, these two do not mix well together because if you look up in here, you got a lot of pores, a lot of separation. Like, what is going on? No thank you at all. I also came in with my CoverGirl blush, the Cheekers, sorry, not blush, they call it Cheekers, and it was a natural rose. It's a soft blush, pretty pink, but it's a soft blush, and I do like it. I wish this was just a smidge bit better, so I could get smidge bit bigger, so I could get my bigger brush in there. But I guess some things just don't change, you know? That's how it was when I was in high school. You have these and that tiny little brush it came with, and you just went to town on it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the little brush, but, and this little guy, I love the smell. I love this mist. It's very refreshing, very awakening. The mist is pretty concentrated to one area, so when you spray it, instead of getting like this cloud that just lands everywhere, you're getting a more concentrated, like little, I guess, mist. Instead of everywhere, it's in little concentrated spots. So I just had to like kind of go over things like as if I was painting. But it looks pretty good. I believe everything's gonna stay pretty well today. So I'm looking forward to that. Last but not least here, the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Uncensored Mascara. I'm not sure what's supposed to be so special about it. It's pretty okay. It's very black. It's not anything wowing for me. I'm gonna keep using it. Maybe I'll see some different results. I'm gonna try it with my other CoverGirl products too, just to see if maybe they're kind of color changing like this one is. Maybe they'll actually match my skin too. That'll be a different video. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this. I like my little CoverGirl haul look. So let me know what you think, what your favorite CoverGirl or drugstore products are. I just went with CoverGirl because I know I was more familiar with it. I'd used it once upon a time and not much changed, but it's good to have some familiarity. But let me know in the comments what you have tried from the drugstore or CoverGirl, any kind of tips and tricks you have for me for this, and I will catch you next time. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye!